Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Grenada. Before I proceed further, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply any kind of visa for any country, the very first thing you should check is that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration, purpose, and even based on other kind of visas that you may have, you may or may not actually need a visa. And once you check these requirements and you want to go through the process, always check it as per the official entity of your destination country that covers your residential area. Because based on your residential area, there could be additional steps, documents, etc. For example, let's say you want to travel to Grenada and you live in Canada. So I have opened this Consulate General of Grenada in Canada, Toronto. If I go to consular services and go for visitors, okay. So they have given first of all list of the people who, based on your country, who need a visa. So if I open this, so for some countries you need visa prior to arrival. For some country, no visa required, and for some country you can apply at the port of entry too. Okay, so check it that where your country falls. Okay. Now I'll go back to this. I'll close. Okay. For so prior to arrival, if we go instructions prior to arrival, so this is what it. You have to fill the application in blue or blank ink. Must be made at least 6 weeks prior. Application processing time is 10 business days, so around like 2 weeks from the date of receipt. Must be valid for 6 months from the date of departure. Okay. Fully completed visa application form has to be enclosed. 2 passport size photograph, not more than 3 months old, certified by a justice of peace or a notary public. Wow, notarized picture. Single entry fee, visa fee 200 USD, multiple entry 375. Only certified checks or money orders are accepted. Cash accepted in person only. Okay, if you go there and apply. And you can also pay online on this link on their government website. Okay. If the visa is to be mailed back to you, include a separate money order either for USA for express service, made in the USA, or for express international service outside US. Wow. US permanent residents who require a visa to enter Canada must also show proof of. Okay, fine. All right. So what are the things you need? Passport, visa application form. Okay, 2 photograph, money order if you want it. Okay, if you are applying like that. So this is the form, third link I opened. Surname, given name, date of application, address, there where you're going. If you have a hotel booked or you wanna stay with a friend, provide that information. Telephone number, purpose of visit, date of arrival, marital status, passport details, occupation, home address, phone number, and your photo and signature. This for official use, so don't worry about it. And once you are through that, you can go and you can apply over there. So that is how it works, guys. And if you're going to personally apply in person over there, you can always contact the mission. Okay, phone number and that information has been given, and you can ask them when you can do it. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.